हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम विशाल फ्रॉम टीम क्लैट प्रेप। जब से सीबीएसई ने अपने बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के डेट्स को अनाउंस किया है, दैट इज फ्रॉम 4th of May to 10th of June, द क्लैट कंसोर्शियम also rescheduled the CLAT exam to 13th of June 2021. So those students who were thinking of starting their preparation after board exams, this time they cannot do so. And this has created anxiety among those students as in how to prepare for CLAT. So the basic objective of this video is to give you certain guidelines regarding the same. Now, as a student of class 12, if I would have been reading in class 12, what I would have done? I would have started my CLAT preparation right from today. Because this would give me two advantages. Number one, my preparation would end by, let's say, end of March. And because of that, I would have ample time for my board's preparation as well. At the same time, after my board exams get over, or let's say, मेरे main subjects के exam खत्म हो चुके हैं, I'll have some time for revision as well. So class 12 के students को तो अपनी preparation आज से ही शुरू कर देनी चाहिए. For droppers, it hardly matters because आपके पास अभी भी 4 महीने का टाइम पीरियड है, आप आराम से अपने क्लैट को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. Now, CLAT Prep is going to launch 2 batches. One for the droppers by the name of Marathon, which is purely an offline program. Yes, now the good news is we are going to launch offline classes. It will start on 20th of January and will run till CLAT exam. In this program, there will be a total of 250 plus hours of program, which will include mocks as well. Class conduct कराने का criteria क्या होगा? Every day 2 hours of classes, which will be followed by problem solving session. इसमें students अपने doubts को clarify करवा सकते हैं. अगर किसी भी तरह का doubts आते हैं, अपने teacher से जाकर के आप अपने doubts को clear करें. और this will be run for 6 days a week. At the same time, the students will be provided with GK Mantra, which is bi-monthly, and it will provide you all list of events which is important from CLAT examinations point of view. Second, for those who are studying in class 12, as in who will be writing their board exams this year, we will be launching Express Batch. Again, this is offline and this will start on 5th of Feb. This program will have a total of 180 plus hours of program including mocks. Again, this will run till the end of March so that you have ample time for your board preparation as well. Again, on everyday basis, there will be 4 hours of classes followed by problem solving sessions. And this is also 6 days a week. These students would also get GK Mantra, which is again list of events wherein you can actually focus on those particular events which is important from CLAT examinations point of view. For further details, you can always contact us on the number 954-954-7770, or else you can mail us at help@clatprepindia.com, or you can physically visit us on any of our 2 centers located at Sehkar Marg and Vaishali Nagar. Thank you.